Is your FIAT 500 displaying the key fob not detected error? This common issue, especially in 2012 to 2023 models, usually stems from three key culprits: a dead key fob battery, a faulty proximity antenna, or the need for a key fob relearn. First, the easiest fix: replace the CR2032 battery in your key fob. It's a 5-minute job costing around $5 to $10. If that doesn't work, the problem might be the proximity antenna, responsible for detecting the fob's signal. Finally, the key fob might just need to be reprogrammed to the car. This can be done through the car's menu. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, inspect the proximity antenna. It's usually located near the ignition switch or under the dashboard. Look for corrosion or damage, and try cleaning the contacts. If the antenna seems fine, attempt a key fob relearn. For 2013 and newer models, try cycling the ignition, pressing the Start-Stop button 6 times, and following the on-screen prompts. Remember to have all your keys present. If you're still facing issues after these steps, it's best to consult a professional. Stellantis has released over-the-air updates for some newer models from 2020 onward to address key fob detection. Stay updated on technical service bulletins for potential recalls or enhancement programs. While DIY solutions are often effective, professional diagnostics may be necessary for more complex problems.